looks like a rainforest. It's all raining. And the sun's shining. It's really pretty. You can see it. Yeah. Like with the reds and colors. Yeah.
I was looking at that and I made it move funny.
And then it's like a waterfall outside of my room.
It's like a waterfall in the front yard.
Oh, you can see more coloring back there. Look at that, go down. Flash flood. And I got pelted with hail when we were putting out all the bread out there for birds.
I was helping.
Yeah, this little one was helping. Yeah, I got hit pretty hard with some hail.
I get hit in my finger.
I got hit pretty much everywhere.
On legs, head.
Yeah, my
What?
hand. Oh, jeez.